what people don't understand, the ministers that come into your life, they come and go, come and go, come and go. Like my idol, Gene McBride. I didn't mention him because of this particular reason. This guy knew I was going to be special. Because he used to say, why are you going to be special? Ain't nobody. You know, but he kept roughing me up, getting me tough. And he lives in New Jersey, you know. Everybody knew that Gene McBride was my idol. All the different kids had different idols from all these coaches. They played for the sports record. He was mine, you know, because we played basketball. I'd be kicking his butt, then he start over on me, you know. What they do is I get beat up, you know. After the 8th grade, 9th grade year, it was pretty much over for basketball. I was playing with the adult guys, and they prepare you to get ready for high school. So I was pretty well raised, you know. I go to Raymond Johnson. These are ball players that grew me up. Jenny Bullock, you know, one of our neighborhood icons, you know. It takes a lot of mentors in anybody's life, the way I see it, to get you to where you are. For where I'm at, God brought me here, but he put a lot of mentors. Some people might say they're angels. It doesn't matter what word you use. Whether they're ministers, angels, it don't matter. And I'm going to stay with that word. I'm going to move on a little bit. God has grown me. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to say quite a bit, but not really. Because, you know, it's always more growth, and that's what it is. We can't measure, but yet we want to measure. You know, that's sad how our society has trained us. And Joy kind of know where I'm at, because when we learn about spirituality, I'm going to walk that walk for a little while. You have to learn to lose yourself. You have to let something bigger than you enter you for it to be expressed. You know, because the things that need to be expressed, you don't want to express it. We're selfish, self-centered. Always think about, I can do this. No, you can't. We are granted